From the moment you lay eyes on the Huawei Pura 70 Pro, you know it's not just another smartphone, it's an experience waiting to unfold. The sleek design with its smooth curves and elegant finish speaks volumes about the craftsmanship that has gone into creating this device. It feels just right in your hand, a perfect balance between form and function. As you power on the device, the vibrant colors of the 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display come to life, showcasing a visual spectacle with its high resolution and fluid 120 Hz refresh rate. Protected by the latest second-gen basalt-tempered Kunlun glass, the screen is not only stunning, but also resilient. At its core, the Pura 70 Pro is a powerhouse, thanks to the Kirin 9010 chipset. This silicon beast ensures that every swipe, tap, and press is met with instantaneous response, whether you're navigating through daily tasks or pushing the phone to its limits with the most demanding games. And with Harmony OS 4.2, the user experience is seamless, intuitive, and delightfully smooth. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro's camera system is a true testament to Huawei's legacy of photographic innovation. With a triple lens setup, the main camera boasts a 50 megapixel wide sensor with an adjustable aperture, ensuring exceptional performance in various lighting conditions. The 48 megapixel telephoto lens offers a 3.5x optical zoom, bringing distant subjects into sharp focus, while the 12.5 megapixel ultra-wide lens captures expansive scenes with ease. When it comes to video recording, the Pura 70 Pro doesn't hold back. It can shoot 4K videos, harnessing the power of HDR and gyro EIS for stabilization, ensuring your footage is not just high resolution, but also smooth and stable. The camera's performance is commendable, producing clear and vibrant images that stand out on any social media platform. In summary, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro offers a comprehensive camera experience, excelling in photography, videography, and selfies, making it a versatile choice for content creators and photography aficionados alike. But what's a great phone without great endurance? The Pura 70 Pro comes equipped with a 5,050 milliampere battery that ensures you're never left stranded. And when it's time to juice up, the 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging capabilities mean you're back in action faster than ever. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura 70 Pro is a great smartphone. It's a device that caters to those who demand excellence in every aspect, from design to performance to photography. If you're in the market for a phone that stands out from the crowd, the Pura 70 Pro might just be the one you've been waiting for.